If you still did not subscribe our channel, then please click on the red color subscribe button and click on the bell also so that you can get notification of our upcoming videos and updates. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel AgriMighty Education. So I'm back after a long time with new technologies and some new videos. So let's start. As we know that nowadays technologies are changed very fast and frequently, so we should be update with latest technology to survive in this current IT industries. If we talk about storage, initially we use traditional storage with multiple type of disk based on the data transfer speed, like FC disk, NL, NLSS, SSD. So nowadays, most of the vendors are came with all flash storage. So today's our topic is what is all flash storage, what is NVMe. So all flash storage is basically we use for high speed. Uh, it's a write data perform random IO operation in flash. So what is flash memory means it's write data in flash memory. What is flash memory? Flash memory is non-volatile memory, and non-volatile memory is like here it is not required power to maintain the data or store the data. So suppose we write something and power goes down, then we can't lose the data. So in simple word, we can say that memory won't be forget. The data is stored when the disk is turned off. Okay, so what is NVMe? NVMe is a non-volatile memory express. So basically, we can say that NVMe is the route where we can access the memory. Yes, NVMe is like a transfer protocol where we can access quickly the data from the flash memory. So let me give you one example. Before that, we have to understand how traditional storage, traditional disk, SSD, FC are working initially. So suppose this is our normal SSD disk, and this is our storage controller. So disk are in disk enclosure. So its disk enclosure it is connected with a storage controller where we can monitor the data, or it can be control all the disk. So how connectivity is done means we have the high performance SSD, and that gives around 150 to 200 IOPS in a single disk. But we have high performance disk, but backend connectivity is serial connectivity, like it is connected with serial cable, SAS port, 12 gig SAS port. So we have high performance disk, but connectivity is serial connectivity, it says port. So it is like a bottleneck, means you can't get much bandwidth for data transfer. So that was the traditional loose pole of the traditional storage. So what is NVMe? Let me explain here. So NVMe is means we have a similar disk, so like flash module, and here this is a controller. So here we don't have SAS port, a serial port for connectivity. We have a data transfer protocol named NVMe. So it's not a serial connectivity, it's like a parallel connectivity where you can get where you can access the data very quickly because you don't have any bottleneck here. So its backend connectivity is on NVMe port, and its speed is around 50 50 gig Ethernet port, Rocky port. So we can say that you can access the data from flash memory very fast, and it is three time faster than normal SAS 12 gig SAS port. So this is the NVMe. So we explain the same thing here, how it is, how the connectivity is. See, this is the data transfer. It is not a serial. So normally you can say that it is 3 times better than 12 gig SAS port. What are the benefit of NVMe? So benefit is faster data transfer. Even on SSD NVMe port, we can get 3K to 40K IOPS, higher data throughput. So in short, we can say what is all flash storage. All flash storage use flash memory. Flash memory also we can call as NVM, non-volatile memory. That is basically means it is store the data without power, means it is not required power to store the data. And NVMe is non-volatile memory express. It is like a path where we can access the data from the flash memory. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. In our next video, we will talk about some all flash storage vendor like Pure Storage,